Hi, my name is Brad Biggie. I am the executive chef for residence dining at UBC, and today we're going to learn how to cut a mango. When cutting a mango, the first thing that's important is to identify which way the pit is inside the fruit. You will find that there's a longer edge versus a shorter edge. You want to cut parallel with the long edge, then your knife won't end up in the pit. Another way to do it is to take the top off and you'll be able to see the orientation of the pit, at which point just cut parallel alongside. Your knife, you'll be able to feel it. You're left with a beautiful piece of mango. This is the part you want to be careful with. Gently cut through, creating a crisscross pattern. Then you can turn it inside out and you have beautiful pieces of mango that you can slice off very easily. That's how you cut a mango.